Hi everybody, in this video I'm just going to show you how to preview what you've created in Dreamweaver on the web. So this will be a very quick tutorial. So once you've added your tables and we have put some images in, we've inserted some images at my banner and my site, I have a few pages here where I place these in. What we can do is preview them, see what they're going to look like on the website, so if they were uploaded. So here's my home page, and it's a sneaky little spot here. You can see we have our tabs right here, and next to our tabs there's this blank gray area here. Anywhere along this line, not this one, in the darker gray, I can right click and see Open in Browser. I would choose Chrome, and it should execute and open up, and you'll be able to preview your site in Chrome. So right now our site doesn't have any links, and that's our next tutorial. We're going to talk about how to make links for our website. Good luck and give it a try.